Hi guys, today we're going to discuss Mathematics Progression Test Paper 1 from the year 2023. It's for Stage 3. The total duration for this real paper is 40 minutes. Let's get started. So guys, number 1, write the number 209 in words. Okay, let's check out the answer guys. You may pause this video if you need some more time. Well, the answer is 209. I hope you get this correct. So number 2, here is a function machine. 47, enter, and then process of machine, multiply by 10, and out of the machine. 47 is put into the machine. Write the number that comes out of the machine. Okay guys, let's check out the answer. So the number that comes out of the machine is 470. Because 47 times 10 is 470. Okay, let's move on. Number 3, here's a Venn diagram. Colored yellow, sunflower, and then fruit. Now, on the right side of our Venn diagram, here's a list of items: strawberry, sunflower, banana, blueberry, lemon. Write each of the items in the correct place in the Venn diagram. One has been done for you. Okay, you got this correct? The answer for this is banana, because banana is both yellow and also a fruit, and also lemon is also in the intersection area because it is also yellow and it's also fruit. So we are done with banana and lemon. Blueberry and strawberry, they are not in yellow color, so we put them here. Okay, let's move on. Number 4, a shop has a sale. The sale starts when the shop opens on the 5th April. The sale ends when the shop closes on the 22nd April. Write the number of days the sale lasts. So the answer for this is 18 days. Do you get this correct? So how do we do that? If we refer to 22 and 5, 22 minus 5 is 17, but why we have to add 1? Because if from 5th to 22, 22nd, it is, we subtract is 17 days. Then we have to actually count the 5th itself, because subtraction only count from 6 up to 22. So that's the reason we have to plus 1 here to get our answer 18. Let's move on. Mia measured the bag of rice, and this is the scale. Now 500, 600, 700, and this is the rice. Write the mass of the bag of rice to the nearest 100. Okay, so the answer for this should be 600. Why? Because the nearest 100, this is here, it is nearer to 600 compared to 500, so that's why we choose 600. Let's move on. Number 6, there are 10 apples in a box. Pierre removed 5 of them. Write the fraction of apples that are left in the box. Okay, the answer for this is 1/2, guys. So how do you got that? Left. So if 10, remove 5 is 10 minus 5. That is 5. 5 is left. So fraction is 5 over the total. At the beginning it's over 10. So it simplified to 1/2. Okay? Let's move on. Number 7, Carlos has this coin, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. A pencil costs 35 cents. Write all the different ways that Carlos could pay for one pencil using his coin. So what's your answer, guys? So the possible combination will be, we start with 2, 5, 3, 5, 15, and then here we go. So we already have 5, 5, 5 plus 10 plus 10, first one. Second one is 5 plus 5 plus 25, that also sum up to 35, or only 10 cent plus 25 cent coin. Alright, let's move on. Number 8. Class 3 is collect data about their favorite sports. Here's a pictogram to show the result. Here we're going to show the favorite sport of class 3, judo, running, swimming, tennis. The key is one symbol is for 2 children. Write the number of children shown in the pictogram. You may pause this video if you need some more time, guys, so because it takes time to count this. So the answer for this is 30. How do you get that? So it's we count the number of person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then half and half will combine to 1, so 15. So altogether 15. 15 times by 2 is 30. Okay, let's move on. Number 9. Here are 5 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tick all the shapes that have the same fraction shaded. Okay, if you need some more time to work this out, so you may pause this video. So the answer for this is, here we go and here we go. How do we do that? So this is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 out of 4. The same apply to this one. This is 1 shaded out of total is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then with the rest is, this is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the same fraction will be only on 1/4. Alright, let's move on. Okay guys, now we are in number 10. Here's a bus timetable. Bus station, school, parks, shops, museum, bus A and bus B schedule. So write the time that the bus B arrives at the park. Okay, the answer for this will be 8:25. Bus B here, arrive at the park here. Okay, let's move on. Here are 3 number cards, 1, 2, 7, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use each card once in each statement to make the complete calculation. Okay guys, the answer for this will be, here we go. So it's 1, 2, 7 plus 3, 4, 5 equals to 4, 7, 2, and the second is 4, 7, 2 minus 1, 2, 7 equals to 3, 4, 5. So the idea to do this is, for addition we just put the greatest number at the back and the 2 small number in here, and for subtraction the greatest number in here on the left side and the other 2 smaller on the right side. So that's the key. Alright, let's move on. So number 12 now. Gardener plants 36 seeds. 1/3 of the seeds do not grow. Write the number of seeds that do not grow. So the number of seeds that do not grow, 1/3 of 36 is 24. How do you do that? So do grow. So if 1/3 do not grow, it means the one that grow is 2/3, because 1 whole minus 1/3 is 2/3. That's the number that grow. So 2/3 of 36 is cross here is 12. 2 times 12 will be 24. Well, number 13, draw a line to match each calculation to the best estimate of the answer. One has been done for you. Well, if you need some more time, please pause this video. The answer for this will be, this is 180, this is 160, and this will be 200. So how do we do that? Basically, you just have to round off like 72 to 70, and 70 times 2 is 7 times 2 is 14, and 10, this is round off to the latest 10 is 60, 6 times 3 is 18, so put 180. This one round off to 40, 4 times 4 is a 16, and then add one more 0 to get 160, and this round off to 40, 4 times 5 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 200. Let's move on. So next is number 14. A robot follow instruction to draw this pattern. A north finish, and this is the start here. Complete the instruction for the robot north 4, and it's 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4 5 up to the finish. So for this question, it's good if you have this PDF printout. So if this video get 20 likes, the PDF will be released in the comment section. What you have to do is just write down the request in the comment section and share with friends, so it will gain 20 likes. Now let's get back to the answer for this. So the answer for this is, so after north 4, it will go to 1 2 3 4 5 5 to here is the east. So now to the right, meaning going 5 unit, 1 2 3 4 5 to the east, and then going down 2 unit, down is to south 2 unit, and to the left is 1 2 3 is west, and north 1 2 3 4 5 6, north 6 unit, and the last is to the right 1 2 3 4 to the finishing line, that is to the east. Okay, let's move on. Next is number 15. Naomi thinks of two whole numbers. The sum of the numbers is 19. The difference between the number is 11. Write the numbers that Naomi is thinking of. What and what? Okay guys, let's check out the answer. So for 15, it will be 15 and 4, since 15 minus 4 is 11, and 15 plus 4 is 19. Let's move on to 16. Okay, number 16, here's a quarter of a shape. I must say the only whole shape I can make is a larger square like this. Draw two different shapes on the grid to convince Ahmad that he is not correct. Okay, if you need some more time to think, you may pause this video. Let's check out the answer, guys. So we can draw this rectangle shape instead of the larger square like this, or we can make an L shape. So the only whole shape is many possibilities. So these are two examples of that. Okay, if any other example, you may comment in the comment section. Let's move on. Now we have number 17. Here's a rectangle. Measure the perimeter of rectangle to the nearest whole centimeter. Use a ruler. So for this one, it's good if you have it printed out in 100% scale, so you can measure. Remember to share this video, so once it gets 20 likes, you may write in the comment section the request for PDF paper. Let's solve this problem. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. So guys, we measure with the online ruler. So this one is the length is 8 and the breadth is 3. So the perimeter of the rectangle will be you see from here to here is 3, 8 and 3. We see from here is a 8 and here's a 3, so the remainder will be 2 times 8 plus 3, or 2 times 11, or will be 22. Or you may just simply add 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3. That will give us 22 cm as well. Okay guys, 18. Draw a line to match each statement to show how likely it is to happen. The day before Sunday will be Friday. The day after Wednesday will be Thursday. The first day of the month will be Monday. It will happen, it might happen, it will not happen. Okay, are you done with your answer? So, the day before Sunday will be Friday. It will not happen. The day after Wednesday will be Thursday. It will happen. The first day of the month will be Monday. It might happen. There's a possibility. It may be yes and no. This one for sure is 100% yes, so it will happen. This one before Sunday will be Saturday, so it will never happen. Alright, let's move on. Samira uses blocks to measure her pen and pencil. And Samira says the pen measures 6 blocks and the pencil measures 4 blocks. That cannot be right. I can see that the pencil is longer than the pen. So explain how Samira could improve her method to give correct answer. Okay, let's check out the answer guys. So the answer for this will be she could use blocks of the same size. Alright, so that's how she can improve her measurement. Number 20. Okay guys, number 20, here are some mathematical statements. 400 plus 500 equals 900. You have to state whether it's true or false. Second is 200 equals 2, 900 minus 600, or 900 equals to 260 plus 740, or 900 minus 380 equals to 520. Check to show if each statement is true or false. One has been done for you. Okay, let's check out the answer. So this will be false, false, and this is true. So 200 is not equals to 900 minus 600 because this is 300 definitely, and this, if we add, it is true, equals to 900. Well, this one, if we add 260 plus 740, we'll get 0, and then 4 plus 6 is 10, 0, we put 1 here, so 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1 is 1,000. That's why this is false. Now this one is true, since if we add 380 plus 520, we'll get back 900. So that is for sure is true for the last number. Next, let's move on. Number 21. So 21, here are pictures of 4 shapes. Draw a ring around one shape that is different from all other shapes. Write one characteristic that makes this shape different. So are you ready with your answer guys? So we should circle this one. One shape is different, one characteristic, as this has a circular face. So we answer here, it has circular faces. Next, let's move on to number 22. Mike makes a pattern with squares. Here are the first 3 diagrams in his patterns. 1, 2, 3. Use the grid of square to draw the next diagram in his pattern. So this one is good if you have this printed out, so let's check out the answer. So our answer will be, here we go. So this is a diagram number 4, next diagram. So why does it like this? So guys, we have a horizontal and vertical. This is 1 horizontal, this is 3, this is 5. Of course it is added by 2, or it's a odd number, so after 5 will be, this one will be 7. So this is 7 boxes, 7 squares. What about the vertical? Is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this should be go to 4. So it's a natural number, 1 2 3 4. Alright, let's move on. Now write the number of square might need for the 7 diagram in this pattern. So 1 2 3 is done, 4 is done, and 7 now. Okay, you need some more time, please pause this video, we'll reveal the answer. So guys, we have 19 square on the 7 diagram. How do we do that? So 7 means if the first is 1 vertical, 2 vertical, diagram 3 is 3 vertical, diagram 4 is 4 vertical, mean diagram 7 is, we have 7 vertical, and then to the horizontal is 1 3 5 7. So 1 3 5 7. To go to the 7 one, we will just keep counting the odd numbers, 9 and 11. So we have 11 horizontal, one more, 13. It should be go to 13, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, the 7. So we have 13 horizontal, now 13 horizontal and 1 intersection, which we count twice, both in vertical and horizontal. So 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. That's how we got the answer. Let's move on. Okay guys, 23. Here are 5-digit cards, 2 3 4 6 8. Use 4 of the cards to complete this calculation. Use each card once only. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. Yeah, the answer for this may vary from one student to another student, so we can use only one. So the example of correct answer will be, we can take here and here is 32, and then we can see divided by 4 we got 8, or you can flip this around, 32 divided by 8 is 4. Alright, so, or you may can answer 24 divided by 8 is 3. So this is an open answer. If you have any other answer, please write down in the comment section. Let's move on to the 24 plus 3 collects data about their favorite food. Here is a tally chart of their data. Now apple, and then banana, orange, pear. Jamila draws a block graph to show the data. This is favorite fruits of class 3 number of children, vertical axis, fruit, horizontal axis. Now let's see. So guys, Lily says the graph does not show all the data, but one reason why Lily is correct. Okay, what's your answer, guys? So guys, this is one of the reasons. Jamila did not count the tally properly. The tally has 11 apples. This is 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11, but she only drew 9 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If you have any other reason, please write down in the comment section. Your answer will be helpful for other viewers. Okay guys, 25. Draw a line to match each shape to the correct statement. One has been done for you here. No lines of symmetry, one vertical line of symmetry, one horizontal line of symmetry, horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry. So if you need some more time, please pause this video. Let's check out the answer, guys. So for the house here, it will be vertical line of symmetry. So next, for the third one here, we will have no line of symmetry, and for the triangle, one horizontal line of symmetry, and for this we have horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. So how does it work? Obviously, one line of vertical symmetry, it means when we make this line, and we fold along this line, it will match. It will match this line. And this is vertical and horizontal, so it means you can divide this into middle, and this is also middle here. And this one has no line symmetry, so any line that we make here will, when we fold, it will not match. This one has one horizontal, so one horizontal will be this here, and this one also has horizontal and vertical here and here. Right, let's move on. So now it's a number 26. Hassan buys a 1 ruler and some pencil. He pays $5. He gets $1.60 change. Write the number of pencils Hassan buys. Show you working. If you need some more time to think, please pause this video. So the answer for this will be, number of pencil is 3. So 30 cents times 3 will be 90 cents. Okay, so now the key idea is here is a 1 ruler, only 1 ruler. So $5 minus the price for 1 ruler is 2.5, so that will be 2.5 left. Now 2.5 minus the change is $1.60. So $1.60 is $1.6. So that will be, so we subtract, we'll do 2.5 minus 1.6, so 5 we cannot subtract by 6, we borrow from the dollar, so become 15. 15 minus 6 is 9, so this become 1 left, so it's 0. So $0.9 is equals to 90 cents, because from dollar to cent we multiplied by 100, so we have 90 cents. So 90 cents divided by 30 cents, so 90 cents divided by 30 cents, then we will get 90 divided by 30 is 3 pencils. So that's the answer. So that's our last number. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share to all your friends, and follow this if you are watching through TikTok or Instagram. Join our weekday and weekend classes. That's one way to support and help us. Upload your question if you have any in Google Drive and send link in the comment section. We will see what we can do for you. And last but not least, for any inquiry, please email us or simply write your question in comment section. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. Okay guys, today's discussion is conducted by Study with Tuition Online. We cater for all this subject and this program. Email us if you are interested to join with our online tuition. Subscribe and ring bell so you'll not miss any of our latest video, as we keep updating daily, weekly, monthly. And check the link below down describe, as there is free resources from grade 3 up to grade 12, and also calculus and for pre-course. Bye bye, and see you for now. If you have any question, any difficult question, you can upload in Google Drive, send the link in comment section. We will see what we can do for you. And bye bye, and don't forget to give likes to the video, it will encourage us to make more video like this. Bye bye, and God bless you.